this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm coming on here because I wanted to show you a simple, quick, easy, and budget-friendly DIY for Mother's Day, and pretty much you can make this for any day, but I'm going to show you the Mother's Day one, and it's called a balloon bouquet. All right, and I got all of my materials from the Dollar Tree except my balloon pump and my fishing line that I would be using. Okay, so everything else came from the Dollar Tree, and it's all under $3. So what you would need if you want to make this is a Mother's Day balloon, which I got the one that said best mom ever. It's super cute. I like this one. I got the 15 pack of white balloons from the Dollar Tree, and I also got the pink 15 latex balloons from the Dollar Tree. All right, and you will need some scissors just to cut your fishing line if you're going to use fishing line. I have my two helpers here, and they want to help me with opening the balloons, so they're going to be opening the pink one and the white ones. All right, go ahead and open it. Okay, so what you will need to do is just take one of your balloons, and if you have a balloon pump like this, then you know you just turn it off and on. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn mine on and just blow it up. Okay, so as you see, she blew the balloon up. And one thing you want to do when it comes to the balloons, you want to make sure that it has a round shape. It'll be about this size, so they're going to be a little smaller than the pink ones, okay? Alright. So I'm going to do 4 of these, 4 of the white ones. Okay, so I'm going to take these, pair them, just tie them up, just like so, okay? Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this pair and take this one, take this pair and put this pair directly on it like so, and just twist it. Okay. Blown up 4 of the pink balloons, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to take them and I'm going to pair them up. Okay, I'm just going to take one and tie it to the other one. That makes a pair. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to take the other 2 that I blew up and do the same thing as I did with the first one. Alright, and as you see, right here I have 2 pairs, 1, 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one, this second one here that I have, and I'm just going to pair it, put it directly, intertwine it with this one here. Alright, and as you see, all I did was take it and just place it down in here. Okay, and I'm just going to twist it just like so. Alright, and I'm just going to lay it flat. Okay, so I'm going to take my white balloons and just put it on top of the pink ones, just like this, all right, so that it'll look something like this, if you can see it, all right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my best Mother's Day balloon and I'm going to put it directly right here in the middle. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is take my best mom ever balloon, and I'm just going to put it right here directly in the middle of my white balloon or whatever color balloons that you're going to be using. All right, and I had said fishing line when I first started the video, but what I'm going to be using is this string right here that came with the best mom ever balloon. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wrap it around the white balloon, and I'm going to take it in the middle sure that your balloons stay flat, all right? And I'm gonna take it around the balloon at the bottom, which is an existing balloon, the one that I put down first, okay? And bring it back around, just like so. Then I'm gonna take it around another balloon, all right? Just like this. And I'm gonna take it around, wrap it around the white one on top. Okay, hold it down. Just take it back around. Alright. And just continue to wrap it. And just hold the balloons down, because balloons will come up if you, when you try to wrap it. Alright, and if you have any extra string, you can always cut it off if you don't need it. Okay, so just make sure everything is flat, everything is tight, pull down. I'm going to take my scissors and just cut off the extra piece here because I do not need it. Just make sure you don't cut your balloon. Alright, so after you do everything that you're supposed to do and cut your balloon string off, then this is what you have. And you can always make your balloon smaller if you would like. I just made mine a little bigger. So this is my balloon bouquet, Mother's Day balloon bouquet. All right, I hope that you all like it. I have enjoyed making it. This will probably go on my table for Mother's Day. And I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Let me know how you like this and if you're planning to make it for your mother for Mother's Day. Remember, I got all the balloons from the Dollar Tree, and this balloon, everything was $1. So I spent under $3 for these. And you know, when you buy the 15-pack of balloons, you can always have more to use. And everything will be like right at under $4 if you already had your balloon pump. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family. All right, see y'all in my next video. Bye.